It's a beautiful day in Yellowstone National Park, Grand Teton National Park.
We're gonna go this one. Because we got a pass. Oh, crap. Hi there. No thanks.
You can't get much better than today. I mean, the weather. The park isn't congested, really. It doesn't appear to be.
Not yet, at least.
Yeah. There it is. Yellowstone National Park for the enjoyment of the people. Was it Roosevelt who said that?
Yep. "81 miles to 89 north." That's pretty.
It's gorgeous.
If I didn't know that was freezing cold water, I'd want to go jump in.
Yeah, I'm sure it's freezing cold. It's not that warm today.
Oh, I bet it's like 40 something, if that much.
Easily, yeah.
Yeah.
My gauge says it's about 79.
No, I'm talking about the water, though.
I know it, but that's just an indication that the water would be colder because it hasn't warmed up enough.
Yeah.